Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix no sound after returning from sleep mode on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe so let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to listen any sound on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 after returning from sleep mode, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open the services. Click on this search menu and type here services. Click on the services. In this, you have to find Windows Audio Service. Scroll down. Just press W key. You can share Windows Audio. Double click on that. Here you have to select startup type as automatic. Then click on start. Click on apply. Then click OK. After that, right click on that and click on restart the service. After that, below that you will find Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right click on that, click on property, select automatic, then click on start, click on apply, then click OK and close this window. Restart the service again. After doing this, you have to find third service, that is plug and play. You can share plug and play. Right click on that, click on property. You have to select startup type as automatic, click on apply, click OK. After doing this, right click on that, click on restart again. After doing this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. On this way you can fix no sound after returning from sleep mode on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.